Is that free smoke I see? Give me some, give me free. Give me some.
CJ on 32s and you rocking out with free.
The life of Jerry Bear, man.
The real Nova 797.
TK's Garage.
You tune up budget, man. If you rock with me, you need to rock with free smoke, baby.
Mess with free smoke heavy.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy CashApp.
Beauty 392B.
Make sure y'all tune up free smoke.
Hey man, it's your boy man, real for real man.
Free smoke, hey, free smoke.
And you're watching Free Smoke.
Are you watching Free Smoke?
Free Smoke.
Rocking with free smoke, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Yeah.
To the latest podcast on YouTube, Free Smoke.
Make sure y'all tune in to the Free Smoke family,
Free
man.
Smoke.
What is going on, man? Welcome back to another video. I'm your boy FaTKaT. We got garage driven, modern day muscle down below. If you don't know, you watch it. Free Smoke home, your automotive news for the culture. Let's go to get into it, man. Oh, first thing we got on the menu for y'all today, man. Yo, we had to pull up, man, our brother CJ on 32s, man. Yo, he went out and got himself a new shop, yo. It looks like he had a lot more room in this thing, man. The other one, I guess he outgrew it. And here he goes, man, about to get into the new one.
Yeah, he definitely outgrew the other one real fast, man. Yo, you know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, like, yo, this is a better option, way better. It's not far neither. It's literally next door to where he was at. But, yo, if you look at the space, bro, he can literally park his cars, like, all backed in. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, he could do so much for this place right here, man. So this is definitely a better option for him, honestly. But it's gonna be legit. I guarantee when he get it all set up, it's gonna be a nice, legit spot for him to, you know what I'm saying, house his cars, man. That's gonna be dope to see. This is gonna be a true 32 gang house. All right, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly, man. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be super dope, man. I think there's another side to it where somebody else puts their stuff at, man. But you know, but the point being is, you know, I'm pretty sure he's cool with that, you know what I'm saying, person, so they can literally make it like one big shot, basically. You know what I'm saying? Have stuff over here, have stuff over there. But the point is, yes, he can now park all his cars at one spot location, man, and he can pull them out as necessary, man. Do content with it, things like that, man. So that's, you know what I'm saying. I'm guessing that's probably hard to find in that area. So it's dope that he found a spot that he was able to do that. Don't get me, you know, don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure you probably will not see Lamb Talk parked up in there, though. That's probably gonna be at his personal residence.
Yeah, I guarantee down to see it is still gonna stay at home.
Exactly.
I don't knock him for that. Yeah, I don't knock him for that, man. You want to wake up and the thing is, you want to wake up and see that every day. That's some serious motivation right there. When you wake up
at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, you can
like,
say, you can't sleep or whatever. You want to go peek in the garage. Look, yo. All right, take your ass to sleep now. Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Exactly. It's there. It's there.
Now I'm gonna go sleep like a baby. I see my Lambo in the Aventador in the garage. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Yeah, man, that's funny, man. But big shout out to CJ, man, continuing to grow, continuing to make moves, continuing to level up. The dope thing about that video that I found interesting, or dope, I should say, and a lot of people probably not even, you know what I'm saying, probably look over it, is the fact that he had all his people there, man, you know, helping him clean out the shop, you know, trying to get it set up, initially set up anyway. You know, CJ was there, Swerve was there, Jerry was there. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I think that's dope, man, that everybody's kind of like supporting the campaign. He get a new spot, yo, we all coming to help you try to set it up. Like I said, that's something that a lot of people probably, they just looking at the video, entertaining themselves, and don't even think about it. But that's something that I kind of peeped, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, that's dope. That everybody's supporting the campaign.
I'm about to say, in the video from yesterday, the prior video from the day before, he did say, hey, man, I could store some of my homeboy's car here over the winter. Which is dope, though, for him to say, yo, you know what? You ain't got no space in your crib? Bring your car over here, bro. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Which should be dope if he does do that, man. Even if he charges a small fee, still win-win for you.
Exactly, man. So big shout out to CJ, man. Continue to do dope things, man. And you know what I'm saying, that whole 32 gang, man, continue to level up and push each other to go further. You know what I'm saying? That's dope to see. But yo, the next thing we got on the menu for y'all today, man. I don't even know where to start with this thing, man. So we got a video that we seen on IG not too long ago, And it was this car over here sliding in the sliding pit, man, and it's some unfortunate things happen.
Man, this is just a sad situation, man. Like, I don't know. This gotta stop, bro, on the low. Like, yo, real talk. Like, people's getting injured. Like, literally ran over, bro, by a car. You know, have you ever been ran over by a car before? I don't think so.
I can't say that I have.
Exactly. Do I want to? Hell no. You know what I'm saying? Especially being my old ass age. I ain't that old, but I'm just saying, like, yo, real talk. Nobody wants this to happen to them. No one wants it to happen to one of their family members. Imagine someone will get a call saying, yo, I'm at the hospital, whatever the case is, or you know what I'm saying, your son, your daughter just got ran over. It's crazy, man. And at the end of this video,
this is what I want to know what happened right here. Like, what is that?
I don't know exactly how this happened. I don't know if the gas tank popped on this car. What happened? I don't understand. But apparently, the entire car ended up burning down to the ground. On you know that Infinity, it burnt down completely.
So this isn't funny, but when I saw this initially, I was like, shit, that dude went back to the future. Because you know when
the lines like
the lines, I was like, yo, what are they doing? So again, it's not funny, but that was my
Marty McFly.
Like, yeah, they were wilding out there, bro.
Yeah, this is crazy.
That's not an Infinity. That's not an Infinity. That's an IS 300, ain't it?
No, it's the IS itself that hit. You know what I'm saying? That hit the people at first, but the car that lit on fire with the tire marks, it was Infinity, yo. They're going right there. It's about to start. Yeah.
Oh, the other one.
I think it was something. I think something's leaking. Look at it. Something's leaking, bro. And then he ran through it somehow, and it just caught the whole back of the car on fire, and that was that, bro.
So here's my 2 cents. Take it if you will. I agree with my brother, Garage Jordan, that this has to stop, but I think it has to stop on both ends. It has to stop people that are willing to slide without the proper, protection, and it also has to stop for those damn cameramen.
Yes, that's the issue.
You're out there following the damn car when the car is spinning. You have no idea what's going on. You make the wrong move. You can't react in time because you're human, and you get slapped up. You know what I mean? You get slapped up by the car.
Yo,
you know what I'm saying?
It's like time after time you see it, yo. I'm just tired of seeing these videos where they just slide in and bam, somebody gets hit because they're trying to run behind the car with the camera, trying to get on their phone. Like, yo, that footage is not that important. If you're gonna do it, stay back, enjoy the show.
This was definitely important, though. That was definitely important.
Yeah, I'm just saying, yo, give them a clear path where they can do their thing or something like that, and just do it safely, man. Like, if you're gonna do this crap, but I'm just saying, like, yo, it's just crazy, man, to see this kind of event right here. Yo, look how close he. You see how close he came to the other Lexus when he went around, bro? Damn.
I would say 2 things about this. The first thing is, although I do agree with you guys, you know what I'm saying, as far as the people running up behind the car, everybody want to get the best footage for whatever reason to get, you know what I'm saying, to get their 100 likes, or, you know what I'm saying, I'm not sure why. But anyway, everybody wants to get the best footage. I do agree with that. But in this particular instance, like, he just lost control of the car and went into the crowd with that at first, with that particular incident. But I do agree with the fact that, bro, we gotta stop these whole takeover parking lots and taking over this and taking over that and sliding and all this and all that. That stuff is for the birds, bro. I'm sorry, y'all can call me whack, y'all can call me whatever you want to call me, lame. That shit is for the birds. Or maybe it's just because I'm older, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not in the young scene anymore. But like, people, like I said, man, people are legitimately getting hurt now. People are dying, you know what I'm saying, off of stuff like this. And not only that, you know what I'm saying, but then, for the most part, y'all doing this in front of people's actual, like, somebody got to come to that business tomorrow morning and open that place up for business. And look at all this stuff y'all left behind, you know what I'm saying? And then you get mad when people that are not in your culture or in your whatever, you know what I'm saying, whatever it is that you're doing, they look at you in a certain way. Then you get mad. Well, why are you upset? They're looking at you in a certain way, in a certain light, and they judge you in a certain light, and you're like, oh man, why are you judging me?
One hand washes the other. One hand washes the other, y'all.
You know what I'm saying? That's why right there. That's why they judge you. You know what I'm saying? Because while they're at home sleeping, chilling, ready to wake up the next day and get to work and get to, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, go make money, put bacon on the table, or bread, you know, whatever, you know what I'm saying, bring on the bacon. You out there
or veggies
causing havoc. Mm-hmm. So I will say, man, that at the end of the day, you know, I'm not a part of the whole sliding thing or whatnot, but at the end of the day, I'm not saying that the sliding thing is not necessary. I think it is a dope, you know, culture that's emerging, but it should be done in a safe environment. Controlled environment.
Yeah, because it's a dangerous sport. It's a dangerous sport to do that.
Like
it's dangerous.
Like that,
so there needs to be protection.
Right. Like I would almost argue that right there is even more dangerous than like racing light to light. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
I would almost argue that. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know. It's just crazy. But hey, that's just me. Y'all can call me lame. Y'all can call me whack. Y'all can call me whatever. But that's just the way I look at it. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, we got to be smarter about these things when we going out there, man, because people are really dying. People leaving, you know what I'm saying, leaving back kids and wives and husbands and mothers, fathers, everything, just to go out there and have a good time for 20 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So that's whack. That's whack to me. Anyway, man, that's all I got, man. That's all we got.
Yo, go to an event. They need to start having events specifically for this stuff, man. And hey, it might be better for them. Not in the streets, where you can see the damn stop sign right there. You know you're in a damn intersection. Don't do it.
And I want to say I apologize, man, for us giving our in-depth opinion. We normally don't do it like that, man. But it's just this whole thing, man. It got to stop, bro. Like it's just. At one point, is it too much? You know what I'm saying? At what point, it's like enough is enough, man. So anyway, man, but that's all we got, man. Sorry to bring y'all into that. Big time shout out to CJ though. You know what I'm saying? CJ doing big things. And you know what I'm saying? And continue to level up. And sorry we had to end it on that note. But anyway, yo, Modern Day Muscle Man, what do we got for special announcements?
Yo, for special announcements, yo, this is your last chance because I believe this video comes out at 6, right, FaTKaT, brother?
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm.
So an hour later, man, make sure you're tuned in for Corey, man, because we will be going live in an hour from now or 30 minutes from now, depending on when you're watching the video. We're going live at 7 Eastern, at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Central. All right. So make sure, yo, this is a show you don't want to miss. You definitely want to, be awake for this. Yo, this is going to be a dope show. He's going to tell his story. He's going to tell it like how it is. He's not gonna leave nothing up to question. So definitely tune into this show. Next we have on the list, because I believe we can talk about it now. We got confirmation, for our Sunday show. SRT Bree. SRT Bree will be in the building. This is actually the IG post, because I wanted you guys to see the different times, because you know how I am with the damn time. So, it's right there, right there. So you guys can read, you know what I'm saying? But, July 11th, man, SRT Bree will be on Free Smoke. Man, this is going to be another dope show. You don't want to miss this. I'm pretty sure this will get shared out pretty soon. You guys look out for that. When you see this post go out, make sure you share it on your story. Share it. Make sure you add us at free_smoke_official. Let's get this thing out. All right, cool. Moving on. We got Grudge Fest with Demonology Saturday, July 24th in Baton Rouge. If you want your tickets, make sure you check out his website. We will be at the State Capitol Raceway. Be there, be square. Next we got up is a waffle for EJ on 32s. Man, he's saying, click the link in the bio. There's limited slots left, man. You got to get your tickets now or you're SOL. This thing looks nice, man. Check this thing out, y'all. Look at this thing. Sound system. I really like the profile. It just looks awesome. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I like that too. But the wheels are new, the tires are new. I know this is a different post, but in the previous post, the stickers are still on the tire. Man, everything's brand new. But other than that, guys, that's what I got for special announcements.
All right, man. Yo, don't miss it. Like you said, man. Yo, well, and not too long from now, again, depending on how long you're watching this or what time you're watching this, Life with Corey, man, it's gonna be super dope. I mean, just know, man, we got some good questions for him that y'all gonna learn a lot about him if you already know, if you already don't.
Absolutely.
Know. So make sure y'all stay tuned to that. And then we got SRT Bree coming up on Sunday. Nasty. I mean, back to back. And then we got another banger coming up after that. We're not gonna tell y'all that one yet, though. Anyway, yo, Garage Driven. Anything else for the people before we get out of here?
Hey, just want to tell you guys, thanks for the support. Thanks for tuning in tonight and watching Free Smoke. Hopefully, you guys came back and watched the Life with Corey. And you guys make sure you come back on Sunday. Definitely hang out with us for SRT Bree. But if you want to donate to the channel in any way, you guys can hit that Cash App right below. You guys can, support the channel in any way. We'll appreciate it. Or you know what I'm saying? Any way possible. We appreciate that. But also in the description below, our PO box is there. If you guys want to send us anything, we appreciate that also. And just thanks for watching, man. Thanks for tuning in again. Appreciate you guys.
Yes, sir. We greatly appreciate it. Thanks for rocking out with us. As we always say, yo, bless up to everyone out there. Big time salute and shout out to the Free Smoke Squad. If you don't know, you are watching Free Smoke. And we do this for the culture. We out of here. Later.